I'm meteorologist Chicago Windler, and we've got a beautiful weekend on the way. Hope you're doing well. Yes, another freeze logged earlier in the morning, but now we've got sunshine and wispy high clouds, making for a gorgeous Saturday. Where are we heading? Well, later on this afternoon, look for temperatures to warm into the mid to upper 60s. I'm forecasting 67 degrees, which just so happens to be exactly average for this time of year. Light winds are turning to the southeast about 5 to 10 miles per hour. FYI, this morning we did indeed drop to 32 degrees yet again. That brings our total for the season to 13, which is one over the average, and we're probably not done yet. I am tracking more roller coaster weather, specifically an Arctic cold front that's going to push through late Tuesday and could bring us the potential of maybe some wintry mix. Although this morning the computer models are not quite as bullish on how much wintry mix we could see, but we are still days away. So here's what I'm thinking for the rest of your President's Day weekend. Temperatures warming up. Could see some isolated, strong, maybe severe thunderstorms overnight Monday into Tuesday. It's a low risk, but this is something new that I wanted to make sure to pass along to you. Then Wednesday, falling temperatures, rain showers developing, colder temperatures late Wednesday night into Thursday morning, especially in the Northwest Hill Country. We'll have to watch for the possibility of some wintry mix. And at least one computer model saying maybe a touch of wintry precipitation even into Friday, though I'm not confident at that at all. So at this point, my biggest corridor of concern for any wintry weather for us, probably late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. Take a look at this temperature trend. Tuesday, 83, very warm. Wednesday, 37 with temperatures falling, and this is by the afternoon. I actually think our Wednesday highs will be in the 40s in the morning. All right, here's a look. We've got clouds down to the south, wispy high clouds across the Austin area, and high pressure in control for yet another day. Your hour-by-hour forecast as we round out this Saturday by 4 o'clock, about 67 degrees, cooling down to 57 by 8 p.m. and by midnight down to 49 degrees. Second half of your weekend, a little warmer, 71 degrees with increasing clouds. We'll call it mostly cloudy, especially from midday through the evening hours. If you're running the Austin Marathon, good luck, good luck. 43 degrees. I notched it down 1 degree for the starting temperature Sunday morning, 45 by 8 a.m., about 55 by 10 a.m., and 63 by noon. So the faster you run, the better the weather. Let's go hour by hour, starting at midnight tonight and heading into Sunday morning. Temperatures ranging from upper 30s to low 40s across the area with a light southerly wind, increasing clouds through the day. Afternoon high temperatures, upper 60s to low 70s. That'll pave the way for President's Day Monday. Could see some patchy fog, possibly dense. A few streamer showers or patches of drizzle can't be ruled out starting off on your Monday. Very warm in the 60s. We make it all the way into the 80s Monday afternoon, and then Monday night into Tuesday. You can see that storm out there in Mason County. Computer models are not looking all that impressive with the potential of storms, but I do want to let you know the Storm Prediction Center has put our area under a level 1 of 5 risk of severe thunderstorms from Monday night into early Tuesday. I believe that this chance is very low, but something that we will continue to monitor. All right, so let's take a look at the bigger picture. All right, the cold front that I'm tracking that will bring us the really chilly change doesn't arrive until late on Tuesday, but you can see ahead of that, we'll be dealing with what's called a dry line, that dividing line between the warm, humid air and the much drier, colder air. That will be canvassing at least close to our area Monday into Tuesday, and that could be what sparks off any of the storms that push through. Then Tuesday afternoon, we soar all the way into the 80s ahead of the Arctic blast, which will be plunging through, and during the daytime hours on Wednesday, some showers developing in the form of light rain for our area. You can see that stripe of possible wintry mix up in North Texas. Question is, will we be cold enough by the time we reach Wednesday night into Thursday that some of that mix could affect us? And I'm going to say there is definitely that possibility. Maybe not a lot, maybe just some lighter precipitation, but just be prepared, especially Thursday morning, Northwest Hill Country, for that potential. And then as we head through Thursday evening, I believe most of this is going to be moving out. I'll show you this particular computer model is bringing in just a little bit more precip, and you may see some pinks popping up briefly on Friday. I think that is an extremely low possibility. More than likely, we will see the system clear out, but I went ahead and put just a 10% chance. Okay, so as far as rainfall totals, 1/10 of an inch to maybe 1/4 of an inch Austin points north through the next week. Can't rule out that light wintry mix possibility as we head through Wednesday night and into Thursday morning. Temperature trend as we look ahead is cooler than average for February 27th all the way into March 5th. And as you can see, the Lone Star State is right in the core of the cooler air. As for precipitation, though, we should be drier. So colder but drier. I think that sure beats dealing with wintry weather bouts. Okay, so here's your 7-day forecast. And the biggest things to know is that there's a lot of uncertainty with what's going to happen Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So be prepared for some fluctuations in this forecast. I think we have a shot at freezing temperatures. If there's any moisture to go along with it, that could in turn mean we have some wintry weather that could develop. Just something to keep in mind as we continue monitoring this forecast for you. So 80s President's Day as well as Tuesday, cooling on Wednesday, falling temperatures down into the 30s, and then by Thursday, we may only see highs in the 40s. By Friday, potentially we're starting to warm things up a little bit more. You can always check the forecast at cbsaustin.com/weather. In the meantime, you can also look forward to Avery Tomasco's forecast. He'll have the latest for you coming up on CBS Austin News tonight at 6 and 10 p.m. And of course, sometimes sports will interfere. So just be prepared for maybe a compressed 6 o'clock or no 6 o'clock show, but for sure, 10 o'clock p.m. Have a good rest of your weekend. And for those running the marathon, have a great race.